Hello and welcome back to our English lessons. Today we are going to learn days of the week in English. We use the days of the week every day to talk about school, work, and plans. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to say all 7 days in English. Let's begin together. This day is Monday. Repeat. Monday. Monday. Spell it with me. Monday. Again, slowly. Monday. Monday. Very good. This day is Tuesday. Repeat. Tuesday. Tuesday. Spell it with me. Tuesday. Again, slowly. Tuesday. Tuesday. This day is Wednesday. Repeat. Wednesday. This word is a little long. Spell it slowly with me. Wednesday. Wednesday. Very good. This day is Thursday. Repeat. Thursday. Let's spell it together. Thursday. Again, slowly. Thursday. Thursday. This day is Friday. Repeat after me. Friday. Let's spell it together. Friday. Again, slowly. Friday. Friday. Many people like Friday. This day is Saturday. Repeat after me. Saturday. Let's spell it together. Saturday. Again, slowly. Saturday. 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 This day is Sunday. Repeat after me. Sunday. Let's spell it together. N D A Y. Again, slowly. S U N D A Y. Sunday. Now let's say all the days in order. Repeat after me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Again, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Well done. What day comes after Monday? Yes, Tuesday. What day comes after Friday? That's right, Saturday. What day comes after Wednesday? Yes, it's Thursday. What day comes after Sunday? That's right, Monday. Great job. Now, let's make a sentence. Repeat after me. Today is Monday. Today is Friday. Today is Sunday. Now, say it with today's real day. Today is Thursday. Excellent. Repeat after me. School is on Monday. School is on Monday. I like Friday. Which day do you like? Write it in the comments. Sunday is weekend. Sunday is weekend. You're doing really great. Today we learned the days of the week in English. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Practice every day by saying, today is. Thank you for learning with me. Next time, we'll talk about months of the year. See you in the next lesson. Bye.